Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we are cleaning throttle body on 2011 BMW 328i. So to do this you need a throttle body cleaner, and first of all you have to remove these 10 mm screws. So one is missing, so we have to remove this one, and we have to open that one from here, and we can pull it out to access the throttle body. So let's start it. So that's how you can use the 10 mm socket and the ratchet to open it up. So after removing these screws, you have a mass airflow sensor over there. As you can see, yeah, that's your mass airflow sensor. You can unplug it using a screwdriver and push it back. So after unplugging that mass airflow sensor switch, you have a screw over there. You can use it, you can open it using a screwdriver. So once it get loose, we have to open that one using a screwdriver. You can push them back. So, and you can remove your air filter, just pop it out. Once you take that out, you have enough space to work on that, right? After that we have to open that. You can see that screw, and before that we have to loosen that screws. These are I think 10 mm. These are power steering. Yeah, these are power steering screws. So you have to loosen them up, and you can move it from your way, then you can easily access your throttle body. So yeah, so just open it up using a 10 mm ratchet. So after removing the screw, you can pull it up and move it from your way. Now you have easy access to that screw. Just loosen it up. Once it get loose, you can pull that pipe. So once you pull out your pipe, you have access to your throttle body. As you can see, let me show you. So that's your flap. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty, so we're gonna use throttle body cleaner on that. So that's how it's gonna look right now. So we can spray from here and use a rag or a paper towel to clean it up. So to clean this up, we are using that CRC throttle body clean. So you can go over there like this and spray it, and then you can use a clean rag like this. Put your hand over there and you can wipe it off, or it will get dry automatically in just 30 seconds or a minute. So you have to spray it 3-4 times to clean it properly. As you can see, mine was pretty dirty, and the reason to clean this is that sometime when you are on red light or when you are on stop sign, your RPM start fluctuating. That's basically because the carbon build up over there. So you have to wipe it off so that your car can breathe properly, and it will stop your RPM fluctuating. So once you guys are done with cleaning this, you can put everything back as the way you open. So Yeah, that's how you can clean your throttle body and improve your car response. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.